Okay, let's do exponential rules part 4. So we're going to discuss two more rules about exponents. The first being the power of a power. So that's this rule here on the left. Now, let's take a look at what it is on the left side. So in parentheses, we have a to the power of m. And the parentheses, what's inside the parentheses is being raised to the power of n. So we have a to the power of m to the power of n. All right, and we can simplify this to be what's on the left with the right-hand side. We can take the powers, the two powers, and multiply them by each other. Okay, so let's have a look at what this at an example. So let's say we had 3 to the power of 2, and all of this is raised to the power of 2. So by our rule, we can write this as 3 to the power of 2 times 2, which is 3 to the power of 4. Let's do another one. Let's say we had 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 7. So we can write this as, not 7, but 4 to the power of 2 times 7, which is 4 to the power of 14. All right, so this is an example of a power to the power. All right, let's do the next one, which is a power of a product. So let's look at what we have here. In parentheses, we have the product of two numbers, a times b. A and b could be anything. And what we're doing is we're raising that product to the power of n. And if you look at how this can be rewritten on the right side, we could raise each of those numbers, a and b, to the power of n, and then multiply. So that's a bit of a mouthful. So let's just look at it, maybe an example. So let's say we had 7 times 3, and we're raising this to the power of 2. So we can rewrite this as 7 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2. Let's do another example. Let's say we had 1/2 times 3 to the power of 5. Well, we can write this as 1/2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 5. All right, these are two rules. We have a power of a power. It simplifies by multiplying the powers together. And we have a power of a product, which is the same as the product of the power of each of those numbers. All right, I hope this was helpful to you as a quick review.
Da, da, da.